One evening, Thomas returned to the sheds. He shunted Annie and Clarabelle into a siding nearby, and then he backed down into the shed where Stepney was waiting.
Hello again, Stepney. How have you been?
Thomas puffed.
I'm good, thanks, Thomas. Been quite busy today at the quarry. I'm quite fond of our Toby.
Pete Stepney.
We all are. Well, hopefully Mavis can keep the twins in order for you.
Yeah, she did. Those two are mad. Is this shed new? I don't remember them being here.
Yeah, I had to move them because of Percy going to the station master's house. It's why he isn't here right now.
Who's meant to be taking his place while he's away?
I don't know. The Fat Controller said he'd sort it.
At that moment, a familiar black box rolled toward them.
Diesel.
Diesel oiled into the shed.
Hello, boys. Oh, and ladies too. What's bidden them?
Who do? What do you think?
Oh, that's just great. I thought bygones would be bygones after helping the three of you.
That doesn't excuse the stuff you put people through.
Now listen here, southerners.
At this point, the three locos and two passenger coaches started arguing. They woke up some of the surrounding people and also prevented others from sleeping themselves. Eventually, Bertie arrived with the Fat Controller.
What is going on here, you five?
Breakfast.
Diesel, you're not funny. You have all kept people awake and I've had complaints. Now please be quiet so we can all get some sleep. After all, I need my beauty sleep.
The Fat Controller went back into Bertie and went home. By the time he had left, Annie and Clarabelle were asleep.
Can we please put aside the past so we can work tomorrow? You know, without causing each other any bother.
Fine, but only because you helped me and my coaches out of a muddy jam.
Soon Diesel fell fast asleep, when suddenly Stepney piped up.
Thomas, are you sure we can trust him?
No, but there's always a chance he has changed. Not completely, but enough to allow us to trust him in some way.
And finally, the two engines drifted off to sleep.
I'm full of surprises!